Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Are you unhappy with the new iOS 26 version and want to downgrade to an older version? You might be wondering if we can really downgrade an iPhone from iOS 26 to iOS 18 or install any unsigned IPSW files. In this video, let's explore this. You may know that downgrading iOS devices can be tricky. First, we need to visit the IPSW website to see which iOS versions are currently valid for your device. Usually, only the latest versions, such as iOS 26, are available, while some iOS files we want are currently unavailable and cannot be downgraded. This is because Apple, for security and product iteration reasons, only allows downgrading to signed iOS versions. Downgrading using old iOS files may carry risks and is usually not something Apple wants you to do. In the past, tools like Future Restore, AirSquared, and Delay OTA might have allowed downgrades, but this method could damage the phone and is no longer reliable. The best advice is to avoid updating the device where possible or to use safe tools like iTunes or Reiboot for downgrades without jailbreaking. Therefore, if you want to safely downgrade to a specific iOS version before entering the unsigned file section, you can use Reiboot to achieve this. It provides various available iOS files for upgrading or downgrading. For example, you can get iOS 18 on an old iPhone. If Apple suddenly allows the signing of older iOS versions or software supports them, you can use Reiboot to downgrade your phone. This is a mature tool with over 10 years of experience in iOS system recovery. It is a reliable solution for users looking to repair their devices and is a trustworthy choice for both novice and experienced iOS users. You can download it via the provided link. After downloading Reiboot and connecting your iPhone to your computer, it is essential to back up your data first. Using Reiboot, you have the option to select a save location for the backup. The process involves creating a full backup of your iPhone locally on your computer, ensuring no risk of data leaks. This includes all your photos, contacts, and other data. The duration of the backup process varies depending on your storage capacity. After the backup is successfully completed, return to the home page and initiate the downgrade procedure. You will notice that iOS 18.5 is available for downgrade. So, let's do it. After downloading the official firmware, initiate the downgrade process. Once your device is updated to iOS 18, proceed to the Data Restore page and select Restore from Computer. On your computer, initiate the data restoration process to your device. Upon completion of the restore, your device will be returned to its previous state. During this process, all applications, photos, and other data will be restored, and your device will be downgraded to the desired version without any data loss. And that concludes the process of restoring your iPhone to iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to get more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.